This problem is really an area problem. It's under the topic of measurement, but it's really area. It's asking you, Ellie's got an old rug at 5 by 7 and a new rug that's circular with a diameter of 7. What's the new one related to the old one about? So there are some keywords here. Number one, the word about is key. That means you don't have to be exact, just about. And these numbers are probably not going to be exact. The other key thing is to the second power squared means you're looking at area. So you've got to find the area for each. And the area of the rectangle is A equals length times width, which is 5 times 7. And that gives you 35 feet squared. That's the easy one. All right, now let's do the area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r squared. That's just a formula. All right, pi is 3.14 is the generally accepted term. You could do 22 over 7. You generally stop at 4 for most math problems. The radius is 3.5. How do I know that? Because it's half of 7, and the radius is half the diameter. And I squared. All right, now 3.5 times 3.5, I got to do first. Now, I know that's 12.25. Here's how I know. I have another video on this trick, but if you have like 35 times 35, you add 1 to the tens digit, you get 4. And then 3 times 4 is 12. And then 5 times 5 is 25. So you could do 45 times 45 that way, 55 times 55, etc. All right, now I'm going to do 12. And if you don't believe me, you can multiply it out. 12.25 times 3.14 is what I got to do next. If you have a calculator, you can just kind of do it and skip this. I just don't know. Some people will have a calculator for this and some won't. So I'm going to show you the multiplying. It's not too long, but 5 times 4 is 20, 8, 10, 8, 9, 4. All right, I'm going to erase my carryover so I can use it for other ones. One time, oh, I got to put a 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 1 times 1. Now I put two zeros. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Now I'm going to add these up. I get 0, 5. Let's see, 14, 16. 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. 6, 7, 8, and 3. And I move the decimal over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I get 38.4. We'll call it 38.46. Now, how much bigger is that than the 35? Well, it's going to be 3.46, which is approximately 3.5. I did 3.5 because that's what they wanted. So I can get rid of the 4.5s because I know that it's 3.5 more. So is a new rug 3.45 larger or smaller? Well, the new rug is larger, so it's A.